今日同大家分享2024嘅 past paper。今日專門 focus 咧就係 critical analysis section A 嘅 Merchant of Venus。咁咧條題目就係咁嘅。How does this passage use money to contrast Shylock and Antonio？ 留意啊，有陣時係 Bassanio 喺度講嘢嘅，咁你要去到話翻咧，其實佢而家講緊呢啲係關於 Antonio 事嘅 ，OK？ 就唔好出現 Bassanio 呢個人名啦喺嗰度題目嗰度，盡量唔好出現。如果唔係咧，你會撈亂咗，你會喺度你會 comment on Bassanio 噶啦，變咗。好，第一個 Antonio is a good man， 呢個係第一句你要用嘅 quotation。good 咧對於 Shylock 嚟講係 sufficient 咁解。sufficient 去做乜嘢咧 ？sufficient to pay off the debt。OK，good 係等於 sufficient to pay off the debt。然後咧，正常咧，但係對於其他人嚟講咧 ，good man， 因為 Antonio 咧佢係呢個 extract 嘅幫人嘛，咁你可以寫翻 Antonio is virtuous in Bassanio's sense because he helps him。OK， 搞掂第一個 point。然後咧。咁咧，你做呢一題嘅時候咧，你要有一個表，有個 table 仔喺度㗎。咁樣左邊 Shylock， 右邊 Antonio， 就寫佢哋做過啲乜。之後最尾咧，每一個 comparison 咧，你都要講翻佢哋係想 contrast 啲乜嘢。咁譬如呢度啦，咁佢就係想講價值觀啊。OK，the contrast of value。好啦，然之後下一步啦，我哋緊接第二個 point。咁 Shylock 咧，佢講一堆嘢係 Antonio 有機會遇到嘅。OK， 譬如 land rats、water rats 呢啲 land thieves、water thieves。The peril of waters。OK， 係有 danger 喺度㗎。OK， 因為佢係一個 merchant。OK， 然後 Shylock 咧係一個 money lender。OK，money lender 個 risk 係細好多噶嘛。咁所以咧呢度咧你要 summarize 得到咧 Antonio 咧係會 take risks， 但係 Shylock 咧佢係更加 careful 啲嘅，佢唔係太 take risks 嘅，佢都諗咗好耐嘅，佢要唔要去到commit to 呢一個 bond。OK， 呢個又係啦，要留意佢哋要 compare 啲乜嘢咧 ？compare 佢嗰個 behavioral habit。OK， 行為上嘅習慣，或者 the way how they do business 都可以。咁即係每次咧都要有一個叫做 summary 喺度。OK， 對比完之後 summary 下呢一段咧。或者呢個 quotation is about the contrast of their values。好啦，之後下一段嘅 dialogue。咁 Shylock 咧喺度就話 I will not eat with you, drink with you, nor pray with you。但係咧佢就會係 buy with you, sell with you, talk with you, walk with you。咁呢度咧，我哋就可以見到佢會做 business， 但係佢唔會 make friends with Antonio and Bassanio。明啦。之後我哋就會見到關於借錢方面嘅行為。OK， 上面就關於主要係做 business 嘅態度，下面呢個就係實際佢點樣操作啦。佢就冇 interest 㗎啦 ，Antonio 冇 interest 嘅，但係咧 Shylock 佢就有 interest 嘅。OK，well worn thrive。OK， 好難賺嘅，佢話啲錢。呢邊 Shylock do business with interest。Okay， 然後你就要講佢冇利息啦，啱啱 Antonio 冇利息，之後佢有利息。然後下一個啦，你就要講咧 Shylock 真 Antonio， 因為錢樣嘢。OK， 要用翻係錢 ，the subject of money。然之後咧 ，Antonio 都真 Shylock， 因為佢放利息，但係 Shylock 真 Antonio 原因就係因為佢 he lends out money credits。好啦，然之後咧 呢一邊。咁我哋會有一啲性格方面嘅 comparison。首先咧，你會見到 Shylock 係 greedy 啦，因為佢好想賺錢嘛，咁所以就會係不斷去到用利息啦，去到借錢嘅。然後佢要 compare 嘅嘢咧就係 Antonio's kindness， 因為佢係呢度幫嘅朋友嘛，佢借錢係佢唔係為自己嘅。OK， 後面啦。咁呢度咧 Tubal 係 Shylock 其中一個朋友，佢向佢借錢，但係咧留意呢個關係咧係更加多係一個 commercial friendship。OK， 但係 Antonio 嗰種係 true friendship。然後到最後啦，呢個就係為邊個做咧 ？OK，Shylock 為錢而借錢啦 ，Antonio 為朋友借錢。後面啦就到關於食物嘅嘢啦。咁食物首先啊，你會見到有 smell pork 呢一個 phrase 啦。OK，smell pork， 但係對於 Shylock 嚟講咧係 devil 㗎。OK， 係 villainous 嘅食豬肉。OK，Jewish 係唔食豬肉嘛？所以咧，你就會第一個見到 religious conflict，Christian versus Jewish。然後啦，你都見到 deep hatred， 因為佢下面即刻話 no pray with you， 佢用食物去到帶出一個 religious disgust 或者係 repulsion 喺度 ，religious repulsion， 好唔中意 Christian。同埋咧要留意就係咧，你要講翻咧 Shylock 係 Jewish 呢個位咧係個 marking scheme 入邊有講嘅。你要寫翻出嚟㗎，你唔可以當 marker 咩都知㗎，即使佢睇過都。然後你會講埋 Nazareth 係一個 biblical reference。由呢個咧係比較難少少㗎，有兩 group 人喺度喺 Phanes 入邊住緊嘅，一班係比較小眾啲 Jewish， 另外一班好大眾 Christians。OK， 咁呢個就係第一個答案啦。Official answers。就係咁，下次再見。如果大家想知更加多關於 Merchant of Venice 咧，咁就可以去報我哋5月嘅 intensive 啦。關於學者論點嘅嘢㗎啦，係啦，譬如呢一 part 啦 ，two groups live separately 咧，其實喺我哋 the context of Venice 嘅時候咧，嗰一 part 已經講過㗎啦。咁所以大家見到呢一個 extract 咧，應該係唔陌生嘅。如果有上過我哋 the Merchant of Venice 嘅課程嘅話，係啦，咁大家可以去我哋官網同埋 IG 睇更加多啦。有興趣可以 WhatsApp 我哋 DM 我哋都得，我哋下次再見。